I didn't see a gate hit.
There was no gate hit.
No, I was looking at Marcus, so I wasn't paying attention to that.
I didn't even watch how anybody did this one.
That ought to play.
Yeah.
Oh.
You ain't done yet.
Matt, you need a bigger screen on this thing. I can't see this.
Look for the truck in the
That's what I was trying to find, was the truck in it.
You need bifocals.
Where's the truck at in this little screen?
He kind of came in high. Yeah, but he's out there all the way by the gate. So Zach was too far. So then once he gets around it, he can turn, rotate a right.
I get it. No, I didn't.
No, not yet.
No.
Now you hit it.
420 left.
It's not funny to me, guys.
It's funny to the rest of us.
Well, I was trying not to yell it out with him. Okay, well.
Yeah, that's a lot.
Yeah. It's going to work out great.
Your battery's done that.
Oh, 5 is where? Over here?
Down. Yep.
$345.
Yep.
7 feet.
How you're gonna do it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this way.
Yeah. I like different people trying different shit.
Hot process is good. You get that bite.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yep. Get that rear up there.
No problem. It's out there.
7.
Fuck it.
Going in with 311. Progress.
Gate in progress. Looking. There it is. Damn the screen. I need better glasses or something.
You can't see the
30.
screen through
Somebody point me gates on 9, please.
right here.
No, like
Yeah, I'm coming. That's why I was saying right here. I'm your guy.
yeah, right here as you're walking to them.
Yeah, well, you were looking at me.
No, you said right here, and you weren't there. Okay, time.
157.
Bonus is down here. Taking a dive.
How did I say I was gonna do this one?
Start left.
Yeah, I think you got to
Right.
start here.
That was in the wrong spot.
How's the time?
125.
I forgot what 10 looks like. Does it look okay?
Yeah, it split the V.
Oh.
So shit. Little bit of underway.
Walk over by the tree.
Yep. Time?
Tom.
30 seconds.
It's right here.
Like half a day when you try them.
Fuck.
26.
Reverse.
20. Ten. 6, 5, 4.